Hello and welcome to your FredExcel lessons for today. Today we are looking at a Word document. We want to look at how to insert a Word document file into an existing Word document file without copying. So assuming this is our Word document and we want to insert another file, which is Word document, into this existing file. So we want our Word document to really start from this section, so we make sure that our cursor is really at the point where we want to insert the new file. We go to insert, we go to the text group on the ribbon, we choose object, the drop down, we have object and text from file, so we choose text from file. That will open up the insert file dialog box. So we go to where we have our Word document. We are inserting in a Word document called the Christian and Wealth. So we select it, double click it, and voila, the word or the text content is really inserted into the existing document without any challenge of copying and pasting. No matter how large the document is or the file is, you can use this method to insert a file into an existing file, which is a Word document. Thank you for following us on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.